Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to receive an e-transfer with Scotiabank in 2025. With the rapid advancements in digital banking, receiving money has never been faster or more secure. Whether you're a student getting allowance from parents or a freelancer waiting on payments, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the Scotiabank mobile app installed on your device or access to their website. In 2025, Scotiabank's app features enhanced AI-driven interfaces for a seamless experience, so updates are key. Step 1. Open the app and log into your Scotiabank account using your username, password, and the mandatory two-factor authentication. This extra layer keeps your funds safe from cyber threats. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Transfers, or E-Transfer section, usually found on the dashboard. The app's intuitive design makes navigation a breeze. Look for the Notifications tab if you have pending transfers. Step 3. You'll see a list of incoming e-transfers. Select the one you want to receive and review the sender's details, like their name and the amount transferred. Always double-check to avoid any potential scams. Step 4. If the transfer requires a security question, answer it accurately. In 2025, Scotiabank might also use biometric options like fingerprint or facial recognition for added verification, super convenient. Step 5. Once verified, hit the Deposit or Accept button. The funds should hit your account almost instantly, thanks to improved processing speeds. Step 6. Finally, check your account balance to confirm the money is there. If everything looks good, you're all set. There you have it. That's how to receive an e-transfer with Scotiabank in 2025. Remember, staying vigilant about security is crucial in today's digital world. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.